Kan jy baby marrow sonder kunsmis plant? Well, apparently kan jy. So, Neil Evans, hy is hier naby Montetjie. Hulle het onlangs die plaas gekoop en hier is letterlik sy eerste oes hierso. Wat hy hom deurtrek. Maar hy gaan my meer verduidelik hoe het hulle EcoSoil gebruik en wat is die resultate wat hulle op hulle baby marrows gekry het. Hierdie is regtig nogal, dis impressive. Check hierso. Neil, hoe gaan dit?
Nee, gaan goed, dankie.
Nee, doodstil, rustig.
Ons staan hierso in 'n baie pragtige plek en met pragtige marrows wat hierso gepluk word. So ja, alles is goed.
Ek is baie bly om dit te hoor. Nou okay, julle het letterlik einde Januarie hier ingetrek. Ons is nou by einde April, Julle het einde Januarie ingetrek en die eerste ding wat jy basies in die grond gesit het
Was hierdie.
was hierdie marrows gewees. En verduidelik my gou vinnig, wat het jy alles op hulle gedoen?
So second week of February, actually end of the first week of February, we put the seedlings in here. We gave them literally, I don't know, these must have got 15 kgs of MAP over the whole lot.
Ja.
And then we started with EcoSoil a week later.
Yes.
And every 2 weeks we gave them. Then we had a bit of a gap where we didn't give them for a couple of weeks. And then we needed to revive them again, so we gave them another dose of EcoSoil.
So toe het hulle begin afgaan,
Hulle het begin redelik sleg afgaan. Ek het hulle nog 'n dosis gegee van EcoSoil en hier kom hulle weer. So ons sit nou hierso, we've picked here from the end of February and we're still picking now, and I've just showed
Wys my gou sommer op daai plant
on this plant
Wys
here.
my sommer gou op hierdie plant maar dis nogal 'n goeie.
Bear in mind we've been picking here from the end of February.
Ja.
So you will see this plant. We would have started picking where my finger is.
Ja.
We are now going up. This is where the plant's producing now. So that's a good foot off the ground. And look what it's producing. It's producing a whole new lot of marrows here, not under favorable conditions because the night temperatures have dropped and the soil temperatures
Ja, ek
have
meen
dropped.
want ons gaan nou my maand in, dis nou einde
Dis
van die
fout.
einde van die besigheid.
Dit behoort die einde van die besigheid wees. Maar hierdie's, ek dink ek sal hulle miskien halfpad deur Mei ek gaan hulle nog 'n dosis gee en hulle sal halfpad Mei tot die einde, dit hang af van die weer.
Nou net so vinnig jou agtergrond, Want jy kom van Natal af, jy het nou hier gekoop, maar jy het daar vir 20 jaar baie intensief groente geboer, So daar's nie baie goed wat jy dalk ken nie, maar groente ken jy,
Nee, ek en wiskunde.
Groente en wiskunde. Wys maar jy kon nou nie somme maak.
Yeah, for my sons, I went and taught maths for a while to matric.
Yes.
So, yeah, it's not just a pretty face. But what I'm trying to say is that we only used chemicals in KZN for 20-something years of intensive vegetables, 42 hectares, constant planting program. And when my partner Brenda said to me, listen, we're now in the Western Cape, we must start keeping up with the times.
Ons moet nou boer soos die hippies boer,
Yeah, exactly. We're going to go and use organic fertilizer from EcoSoil. And Neil Ferreira is coming to talk to us. I actually almost fell off my chair. I said, there's no way. There is no way. We're not taking a risk right at the start of the operation. So guess what happens? Neil arrives here about a week after we got here, a week and a half. And guess what we started doing a week later? We started using EcoSoil 100%. What you see here is 100% due to EcoSoil. The soil, particularly where I'm standing now, is very sandy.
Ja.
It hasn't had proper fertilizer for a very long time.
And I mean, the guy that was here before you literally mined the soil as the way that I understand it for the last 3 years, 4 years.
Yeah. And he did put fertilizer, but it was all chemical. I think he just used to put an MAP or whatever.
And I mean, but okay, so and in terms of your experience with baby marrows, the harvest that you are getting, how would you compare that to? Sal jy dit vergelyk met dit wat jy op die chemiese goed afgehaal het back in the day?
Dis dieselfde. Dis dieselfde of bietjie beter, and I'll tell you why I say maybe a bit better. It's at least the same. But why I say a little bit better, these plants are carrying on and on past where I could have got them maybe with a chemical. So in my opinion, these plants we'd be pulling them out right now if it was just chemical fertilizer.
En hierso gaan jy nou nog aan, so you're actually getting more from your capital investment.
100%. And you're paying less out. I mean, everyone knows the price of fertilizer now.
100%.
It's not funny.
And
so I'm going to give this lot one more shot of eco soil this week in the 1.5 days we've got left to work this week. But I'm going to give it one more shot. We're going through a cold patch over the next few days, but then as soon as the temperature recovers, I'm hoping to get this through optimistically to the end of May.
So when they go down, I want you to please take me a photo.
I'm going to.
Or a video.
I'm going to.
And then you please send that to me and you tell me, okay, now we're at this and this and this date, and I've still harvested so many times. I want to put that into the video as well.
I might even come back to this exact plant that I showed you guys that's still producing flowers and fruit.
And see what you still get from that.
See what we still get from it. And you can see there shouldn't still be this many flowers.
No.
There shouldn't be. So eco soil for me, same yield, but in my opinion, better longevity on this crop. So that's just, I mean, people are sitting out there and they're probably watching this video and they're wanting to try. They're sitting on the fence. I'm telling you now, do a trial. Call Neil Ferreira, call your closest eco soil rep. I'm not an advert for them. Trust me, if eco soil wasn't working like this, because when I walk through here, I see it with my eyes. It's not a measurement, it's not a test, it's not a this, it's reality that's happening here. Give Neil, give eco soil a call and do a trial, because as I stand here, I have to say sorry to my partner every day I go in the house because I said I don't want to go with this whole thing, and she said nope, we're going with it, and for the right reasons.
Awesome, Neil. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Hier is nou weer terug by Neil Evans, 21ste Mei. Hier sien die marrows wat ons afgeneem het. Mense kan redelik sien, die plante is nou op hulle einde. Die nagtemperature het geval. So hier was nog 2 plikke afgehaal. Die 1 plik wat besig was toe ons hier was. En toe nog een daarna.
Right, so. Okay, hoe meer ek met hierdie eco-soil goeders te doen kry, hoe meer kom ek agter. Daar is dalk lewe aan die ander kant chemiese kunsmis. As jy nou al 'n bietjie oor die besigheid gedink het, jy sit op die fence, kom met hulle in kontak. Ons het nou al appels gesien. Daar kan tomaties, pampoene. So, ons gaan dit nou op die Lesering probeer, as julle laat weet wat gaan daai kant aan. Al wat ek vir julle kan sê is, my kop is nog bietjie gebreek, want ek is 'n chemiese ou. En ons gaan amper 400 en toe op mielies. Maar ek moet vir julle sê iets. So, dat hulle by julle kom kuier, kyk hoe dit in jou boerdery inpas. Linkie bo of hier onder, kom julle met hulle in kontak. Dis die van Farm Spice af, tot volgende keer. Groete.